Hey there guys, welcome to my walkthrough of the new specification Edexcel A-Level Maths Paper 1 from June 2018. As always with my A-Level stuff, I'm going to do this with each question in its own video. You can find the playlist down below in the description. If you're watching this in 2019, bear with me, very busy times. I'll also link the paper down there, the mark scheme, and the formula booklet, as well as the AQA papers. It's all good practice, and I think I've done a specimen paper or two as well. So, definitely take a look down there. Okay, question 1, let's go. Okay, for question 1, we have trigonometry with small angles. So, given that theta is small and measured in radians, use the small angle approximations to approximate the value of 1 minus cos of 4 theta over 2 theta sine of 3 theta. So we are given what we need here. So let's start with cos. So cos of theta is approximately 1 minus theta squared over 2. So cos of 4 theta is approximately 1 minus all of 4 theta squared over 2, which is approximately 1 minus 16 theta squared over 2. So that's 1 minus 8 theta squared. Cool. Now, sine of 3 theta. Well, we're told sine of theta is approximately theta. So, sine of 3 theta is approximately 3 theta. So using these, we can say that 1 minus cos of 4 theta over 2 theta sine of 3 theta is approximately 1 minus 1 minus 8 theta squared, so that's going to be 1 minus 1 add 8 theta squared over 2 theta times 3 theta, so that's going to be 6 theta squared. Now that cancels, so 1 minus 1 cancels out, so we get 8 theta squared over 6 theta squared. The theta squareds cancel and give us 8 over 6, which is 4 over 3. Cool.